What is that? It looks like the neighbors may have put some plastic or something in their wood stove. Brown smoke? Oh my God. What the heck? This is my neighbor's house, a quarter of a mile up the road from me. Matter of fact, right to the right of my house, right past the farmer's field and another house. Oh my God, the smoke's bellowing out of it. Look at that. We got the fire department here. We got more people coming, more fire departments. We got several fire departments coming here from several neighboring towns. Look at this. Oh my God. Smoke's coming out of every place, and there's flames coming out of the side of the house. The people we just talked to said that there was a massive explosion. They weren't paying too much attention. They thought it was someone shooting gunshots. That's the woman that lives there. Thank God they got out safely with their dog. They're not going back there. One of the neighbors just told me that John Ingram, the fire chief, is going to put them up at his house. They had to lose everything. I mean, they're just pouring water in because it looks like the attic is burning, the basement's burned, all the windows look like they're blown, the side porch is burned. Oh, this is total devastation. That sucks. You think it's safe where you live? Quiet up here. We have a huge storm coming in, snowstorm at 4 o'clock, suspected of dumping a foot to many feet of snow. And this is happening around 1 o'clock today.